Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of August. So let's get into it. Alright, so here is the bag for this month. It's like a camo green with like a studded texture. This is the add-on I got for this month. This is the Luxie 237 blending brush. I really love Luxie brushes, so had to get this. Alright, so first here in the bag is this eyeshadow from Space Case Cosmetics. This is in the shade Intense Stargasm. So here is the shade. It's like a taupe metallic color. I'm not really a fan of single eyeshadows. I just generally reach for palettes overall, so I'm not sure I'll use this or not. It is pretty though. Alright, so next in here we have a nail polish from Color Club. I actually got another Color Club nail polish last month that I didn't film just because I was traveling all last month. But this one is in the shade Ghosted. So it's like a dusty reddish rose color. Pretty. I really like the Color Club formula. They're very smooth and even nail polishes, so I will definitely use that. I don't like getting my nails done. I really like just painting them myself, so nail polish works for me. And next in here we have from Estate. This is the Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. So here it is. It looks very yellow. Definitely. But there is the shade. Let's swatch it. So there it is. Ooh. Doesn't come off too yellow on the skin, and it looks pretty. So I think I will definitely have to try that out. Not mad about it. Oh, and it says this is in the shade Lit, so if you were wondering. And next thing we have is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I do generally like a lot of things from Wander Beauty, and peel off masks are okay. I don't feel like they really do anything. I feel like they're more like for fun, but I'll still use it, so no harm, no foul. And lastly, we have from Sunday Riley, this is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Ooh. Definitely sounds up my alley. I really love a lot of Sunday Riley products, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. Alright, so there is all of the products that I received this month in my Ipsy bag. I would probably say that the Tidal cream was my favorite product, and the nail polish, just because I love this brand of nail polish. It's really great. Obviously, I like my add-on. That's a no-brainer. The highlighter was super pretty. I wasn't expecting it to be super pretty like it is, so I will definitely have to give that a try. The mask I will probably use, but peel off masks don't really excite me very much. And then the single eyeshadow, I just don't generally use single eyeshadows, so it's pretty, but probably won't use it. So let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bags this month and what you think of everything, and I will see you in the next video.